Oh man, I can't get this problem. I gotta go ask the teacher.
Yes, Ken? Okay, today we are going to teach you about a story problem from chapter 9.
Jerry is having a party at his house. His property is 200 feet by 300 feet. His house is 100 feet by 50 feet. He also has a shed in his yard that is 20 feet by 10 feet. He wants to set up as many chairs as he can while leaving 4,800 feet squared open. Each chair is 2 by 2 feet. How many chairs can he set up?
Okay, so Ken, here's our diagram. The yard is 200 feet by 300 feet. The house is 100 feet by 50 feet, and the shed is 20 feet by 10 feet.
So set by our equation, what are we going to do first?
You would multiply 200 feet by 300 feet to get the total area of the yard.
Okay. That's good.
So now we have a house and a shed. So what do you want to do to find out how much total space he has in his yard with this house and the shed?
You would multiply 100 by 50 feet for the house and 20 feet by 10 feet for the shed. And you would add those two numbers up and subtract it from the 300 times 200.
All right, good job.
Yeah, nice. You're really catching on quick.
So you have this. So this is the total area of the yard, correct?
Yep.
And this is the area of the house and the shed together. So then you subtract those two. And then you also have to subtract 4,800 feet because he wants that much open for tables and what else?
Yeah, so then after you do that, then what do you have to divide it by?
You have to divide it by 2 squared because the chairs take up 2 by 2 feet.
Yeah.
So put that on brackets.
So yeah,
And
that's
divide.
correct, Ken.
2 by 2. So then down here, what would be our... So 300 by 200 is what?
That would be 60,000.
Good.
And then you subtract by 100 times 50, and what is that?
That's 5,000.
Nice.
And 20 times 10 is
200.
200. And then you subtract by,
You would subtract 4,800 feet.
divided by.
And you divide it by 2 squared.
All right. So down here.
You forgot the bracket.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, you're a really good student.
Oh, yeah.
It's supposed to be parentheses.
Okay.
All right, doesn't matter. All right, so we have 60,000 right here, and then you subtract by 5,200. 200 right there. 20 times 10 is what?
2, what?
What's 20 times 10?
20 times 10 is 200.
Exactly. You have this.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I did this wrong. Alright, so you get a 9 up here. 10. Oh no, I'm sorry. 10 up here. 9. 9. 9. And just do 5. Okay, so going back. Yeah. Let's bring this over here. So that'd be 10 minus 0 is 10. There is 10. Bring the 1 up here.
Did it carry?
So I bring the 1 up here, and that creates 10, a 0. 1 up here again. 10 minus 2 is 8. And then 9 minus 5 is 4. And then carry the 5 down.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Here, I can take it over from here.
Okay.
So what to do? What to do that? You get 50,180. So if you take that divided by 4. So Ken, what if you take 50,180 divided by 4? What do you get?
Well, first, 4 goes into 5 once. So you
Yeah.
put 1 on top, and then you would have 1 left. Then you carry down the 0, and 4 goes into 10 twice, which is 8. Then you have 2 left. Then you carry down the 1, and you divide that by 4, which is 5. And subtract 20 from 21. And you get 1 left. And then you would carry down the 8. And 18 divided by 4 is 4, which is 16. And you get 20 after carrying the 0 down. And that divided by 4 is 5.
Good. So at the end, how many chairs will you have?
You can fit 12,545 chairs.
Good job, Ken. You learned very well today.